Welcome back, students. Good morning. So today we are going to start the fifth chapter of business studies, that is dissolution of partnership firm. Yes, dissolution of partnership firm. So there is compulsory 12 marks problems on this chapter, which I am sending the videos. Now I am going to solve just some theory questions. I will explain you all. So what do you mean by dissolution of partnership firm? Dissolution andre enu? Dissolution andre enu? Okay, see, it means all the partners of the firm cut off their connection with the firm and the business of the firm is closed. It means, for suppose there was A, B and C doing business. So all these three people were doing the business. But now dissolution of partnership firm is all these three partners will end the business. Will stop the business, will close the business anta. Yes, so that is called as dissolution of partnership firm. That means all the partners of the firm cut off all their connection with their firm and the business of the firm is closed. Okay, what business they were doing in partnership, that they are closing, end ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, they are doing it end. Okay, so now another question of 2 marks. When is partnership dissolved? Okay, or the question can be asked, state any two circumstances under which partnership is dissolved, or when the partnership is dissolved, or which are the circumstances under which partnership of the firm, yes, firm is dissolved. Okay, there are two circumstances. One is by agreement. First one is by agreement. All the partners will make an agreement. That is 2 years we will do the business, after 2 years we will end it anta. Or 5 years we will do the business, after 5 years we will stop the business. That is agreement. Another thing is business becomes illegal. Suppose the business becomes illegal, something they are producing the product, government is banning. Avaga the business has to be stopped. End ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So these are the two circumstances when partnership is dissolved. Okay, so partnership is dissolved when? By agreement and when business becomes illegal. Okay, now difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm. Very important question for 2 marks. ಏನು difference ಇದೆ dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Okay, so dissolution of partnership, business of the firm is not terminated. Yes, see, I am telling, in the dissolution of partnership, business of the firm is not terminated. Business end agudilla. But in dissolution of partnership firm, business of the firm is closed. Yes, dissolution of partnership firm alli business of the firm is closed and business end ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, but dissolution of partnership alli firm business is not terminated, business is not closed. But dissolution of partnership firm, ಈ firm word ಇದ್ರೆ business is closed. Okay, another one is in dissolution of just partnership, books of the accounts are not closed. Okay, either profit and loss account, partners capital account, adella close agudilla in dissolution of partnership. But in dissolution of this partnership firm, see, again I am underlining this, partnership firm alli books of the accounts are closed. Yes, in partnership firm only, see, I have underlined this, books of accounts are closed. Okay, this 2 marks. Now realization account. What is this realization account? So far you have heard about revaluation account. What is this realization account? Okay, here in dissolution of partnership 12 marks problem again, you are going to open a account called as realization account. Revaluation account is not opened. So what is realization account? Yes, it is an account prepared at the time of dissolution of the firm. So this is an account prepared at the time of the dissolution of the firm to ascertain andre to find out the profit or loss on realization of assets and payments of liabilities. Okay, see students, business end ಆದಾಗ all the assets has to be sold. Okay, assets ಏನಿದೆ machinery, stock, debtors, all has to be sold. ಮತ್ತು payments what is done has to be made. Yes, business end ಆಗೋದು ರೀತಿನೇ ಹಾಗೆ, assets what is there will be sold, liabilities will be paid. Yes, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ assets ಇದೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, liabilities ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. So it is an account, it is prepared at the time of dissolution of the firm to ascertain to find whether it is profit or loss on realization of assets andre sale of assets and payments of liabilities. Okay, business end ಆದಾಗ you are selling the assets, you are paying the liabilities. In that process, whether business ಗೆ loss ಆಗಿದೆ or profit ಆಗಿದೆ, to find out this realization account is prepared. I will repeat it once again. When the business ends, assets are sold, liabilities are paid. So when you are doing this, you have to find out whether it is profit or loss. To find the profit or loss, the account which is prepared is realization account. Okay? Yes. Now, objectives of realization account. Why realization account is prepared? Another 2 marks question. First one is to close the accounts of various assets and various liabilities in the books of the firm. One is to close the accounts of the various assets and liabilities appearing in the books of the firm. Assets idu mattu liabilities idu account close madlikke. Another one is to find out the profit or loss on realization of assets and payment of liabilities. Just now I told you to find out profit or loss agide assets sale ಆದಾಗ ಮತ್ತು liabilities pay ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. Yes, to find out whether there is profit or loss when assets are realized and liabilities are paid. These are the 2 objectives. Okay. Yes. Now last one. How do you close realization account on dissolution of firm? Realization account what you are preparing, no? How will you close it? Close madud hege? Okay, first one, only one point. By transferring its balance, profit or loss to capital accounts of all the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Simple agi helbekadre, realization account you are preparing, no? I will teach you in the next video realization account how to prepare. Iga last iga balance what you are getting, where will you put it? Yes, it will be transferred to partners capital account. In revaluation account we used to do, no? The profit or loss is transferred to partners capital account. Similarly, here the profits or loss is transferred to capital accounts of all the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Simple. Revaluation account alli how you are closing, no? Same thing you are closing here. Okay. See the journal entries I will be explaining in the next video, or if the regular classes are there I will tell. Because now if I tell journal entries, it is not that useful. We will solve 12 marks problem. After that, journal entry will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Thank you.